Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a bull shark. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our bull shark, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a little circle that I'm going to color in. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line here, and then a little line right here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a small dot for the nose. Next, we're going to kind of come out, and I'm going to bring this line up to about here. Then I'm going to bring this line down a little bit. Then I'm going to make this line come down, and I'm going to curve it down to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line out to here. And then I'm going to curve this back and up here. Then right inside of here, I'm going to add some sharp little teeth on the top. And then we'll add some on the bottom as well. Now let's continue on the top. I'm going to take this line and I'm going to bring this up to a point, and then I'm going to curve it down. And I like to bring a little line inside of here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and we're going to make a little small fin right here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and then we're going to work on the tail. I'm going to begin by bringing this line up here. I'm going to come down and out and then back in. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'm going to bring this line out and then back up here. And then I'm just going to make a little line right here. Now, I want to kind of come back up here and then work my way back. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to take this line. I'm just going to kind of bring this line down to here. And then I'm going to bring this line down. Bring this up here and then in. Bring a little line right here. I'm going to curve this line up to here. I'm going to bring this line down and then connect it. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down and up here for the other fin. Now for the gills, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of go down like this, and almost like a squiggle line. And I'm going to repeat this, so I have 4 of these little lines here. Then starting here, I'm going to make a long kind of broken line that comes down. And then another kind of little broken line here. I'm going to make a line here and then a line here. And then a couple little lines here. Then I'm going to make a little kind of broken line here, and then one here right around the mouth. And there you go. There is our drawing of a bull shark. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.